Hi all, welcome to another episode of kamaltechvlog. Today we are going to unbox few things. These are all products of Portronics and these are very useful for our day-to-day use. They are going to be about 3 adapters which I bought from to be said Instamart of Portronics, which are very useful in a day-to-day computer operation. So let's get on with it. I will show you the unboxing as well as I will go ahead and try it out and check whether it works. So let's start with that. Okay guys, so this is the 3 products which I got from Portronics. Let's open this one by one. So the first one would be the Portronics drive over here. It's a USB hub which you can just fix to in your computer when you have less space over there, less hubs over there. This is how it comes. There's nothing special to it. If you see the brand would be mentioned over here as Portronics. You have a type A 3.1 hub over here, and you have 2 hubs and third 3.1 hub over here. So you can just go ahead and expand your horizons with this in your PC. So this is the first product. We will test everything out. So this second product, I did need a hub. My hub was very old, to be said 2-3 years old. So this is still sealed. I'll just remove the seal. So this is the product. I've never tested all this out. So today I'll be doing a live testing. So this is the Portronics hub. And as you can see the board, there is the model number, the date it was imported. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 hubs. I think so. It's let me see, this is a 1.5 meter long cable over here, and yep, there's nothing much, just the warranty and everything over here. And this USB 2.0 hub, that's the thing I was searching over here. It's a 2.0 hub. So let's keep this apart. And this is the best of all. I like this product because this gives you something special which no other product gives. So this one is a USB hub where it comes to the type C port over here. Sorry, it comes to the type A 3.1 port over here, and it can convert it to type C port. That's the important thing we have to see over here. I do apologize for my lighting. Today the lighting is less here. So it can go to a 3.1, one port is there, 2.0 port is there, and 1 type C port. In case you don't have a type C port in your PC, then you can utilize this. So let's go ahead and check if I'm able to show you how this works. So let's start with that. Okay guys, so this is the PC as you can see. Let me just try out 3 devices quickly which I showed you in the unboxing. So this is the first device, so we will just connect it. So it's the Portronics hub and it is working. So this one is the hub which I told you, where Portronics you can put type C also over here. There's a 180-degree loop over here. So let's go ahead and fix this. Video can fix it in any ways we want. So this is also connecting well, and this can turn 180 degrees as I told you. So I think so I'll be using this one over here. So this USB hub over here, let's see if this works. Okay, we have to put it this side. Yep, even that blue light is working. So these all are bought on Instamart, that's why I'm just testing it whether these work. And this is the last one. Yep, Even this works. This is something special which I didn't show you in the unboxing. This is Zebronics one, where you have two 2.0 and one 3.0 adapter. So in your PC, if you have less ports, this is the best way you can increase it. Hope you did like this video, and if you watched so far, please go ahead and like, subscribe and share this video so that many people can go ahead and see this. Until next time, this is Kamal and you're watching Kamal Tech Vlog, and you do have a wonderful day ahead.